guys, welcome back. So I know I'm like a day and a half late on this. So sorry. I literally have been nonstop working and school homework. So I literally just got off of work. So I'm gonna be reacting to it now because I have time to do it. So and then I'm gonna have to do homework right after this, after I edit and everything. So anyways, let's get into this. I'm really excited. The teasers had me, I don't even know, and I ain't gonna lie. I didn't listen to the song because I knew I was gonna react to it, but I did listen to the album. I'm blown away, like seriously blown away. And Sick, I think, is one of my favorite songs. Like they're all my favorite songs, but like that one just hit different along with Hyunjin and Chris's song. I forgot, Red Lights. I think that was it. Anyways, let's get into it, guys. Ooh, it's so pretty. Ooh. Whoa, whoa. Did I hear him say his... Yeah, he did say his own name. I thought I heard him say his own name, guys. That was so... Okay, let's restart this. Oh my god. I knew it. Okay. Ooh, I choose my own path. Yes, sir. Oh. Oh my god, I love the red suits. Oh my god. Oh my god. That man. Oh my god, Chris. You were born in 97. I was born in 2000. Just so you know. I can't with this song. This song is so good. Okay, you know what? It's my channel. I can do what I'm starting from the beginning. This is so good. Oh my god, I can't with Chamin. Oh, it comes in so hard. Oh, I choose my own. I love that. Attitude though, like a runaway train going recklessly down the track. Oh, this is so good. These lyrics. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. I just realized Chris had a crop top on. And then he has no shirt on. Kyungjin. Sugman, I hear you. Oh, Chris, why you body roll like this? Oh. You're killing Stays. Oh my god, they all did it though. Felix. Ooh. Ooh, Jungin. Ooh, this is in the teaser. Ooh. I love the hand movements. That's so cool. I can't wait for Felix. I can't with Changbin. I can't. Ooh. Right here, Changbin. Ah! This song is so good. The whole album is freaking amazing. Yeah, you're right. Ooh, Minnow. Oh, I like that. Okay, hon. Ooh. Ooh, the hand movements and is that hearts? Float? Or just like, you know what that reminds me of? I ain't gonna lie. The blue that's floating. You guys ever play the video game Jack and Dexter? I don't know what the orbs, when the orbs float. Okay, I'm sorry. That's what it reminded me of. That's cute. The when they go like that. Woo! Oh, great, Felix. I hear you. Ooh, Jungin. Oh. Oh, that was so cool. So subtle, but like the oh, that was so cool that oh. Right here. Oh, that's so cool. Ooh, oh my. Chris. Bang Chen. Please. Your abs are all out. You already killed us in Wolfgang. Hanji-san, let's get it. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I love it. Felix in that hairstyle. Oh my god, Felix in that hair. This. Oh, I like that. It's so cool. Oh, Chris. Oh, the choreo is so hard. Jungit, back it up. That's what he said, right? Ooh. I like that. Ooh, Kyungchin, I see you. I see all y'all. The choreo is so freaking sharp. Yes, Chungbin. Ah, my baby. You gotta see him on top. What choreo is that? But it's so cool. Woo. They have so much impact in their songs. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, Felix. Oh, that was so cool. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. Stray Kids never disappoint. Like, never disappoint. And their slogan is my favorite thing in the whole wide world. This is so good, guys. This was so freaking amazing. I mean, I didn't expect anything less because Stray Kids, like, come on. They literally, THUNDEROUS literally writes their songs and produces their songs. Stray Kids has their own sound. Like, everything they put out is different and unique. And, like, no one has in K-pop Stray Kids sound. Like, nobody has their, like, a sound, like, similar to theirs. Like, it's because it's always so different and so fresh and so new. It's so good. And their choreo is so sharp and, like, unique, too. Like, oh, it's just Stray Kids is Stray Kids. Like, that's how I could explain them. Stray Kids is Stray Kids. And Three Racha is, oh my god, their whole album is so good, and this song was amazing. I love the choreo so much. This was so freaking amazing. If you guys have not listened to the album, please go listen. Definitely worth every single song. Amazing, finished to end. But anyways, guys, if you like my reaction, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.